Welcome back, everybody. This is another video for Tenable CTF. We are working on the Data Exfil. Um, so the challenge was to find the data that was exfiltrated. You can see that there was a bunch of ICMP traffic, so we have to find it in there. There's requests and responses, and it looks like based on the length, the replies have bigger data sizes. So I'm going to filter based on that. So we're going to use T-Shark. And as you can see, I kind of have some of the command already here. So we're going to do, there's a couple ways you could do it. You could either use field output and then grab some of the raw data and throw it into CyberChef. I wanted to do it as much as I could on the command line. So we're doing a JSON output. We're inputting our PCAP. We're then doing a display filter on the IP source address of 10 to 11, 55, 5. And we'll just kind of see what we get there. So you can see that there's the JSON output. And we want to look at this data.data. But the first thing we need to do is we need to figure out the ICMP type. So if we come over here and look at a request, you'll see that it is a type of 8. And then the reply is a type of 0. So we're going to want to filter that down. So I'm using JQ. I'm also going to do raw output, so the -r, so it doesn't put quotes around the output from JQ. So we'll start by just to select everything, and then we're going to want to filter down. So you'll see that the top layer, you have each individual ones of these in an array, and then there's the JSON dictionary underneath it. And so you can see that we want source, layers, and then all the way down to ICMP. So we got that. You can see that it filters down. Now we can filter here based on this ICMP type. So we're going to go ahead here and do a quotation. You can see some of the command is already here. So we're going to do select. And then we're going to filter down on ICMP type. And we want that 0, which would be the response, not the request. And then we can filter it down here based on data and then data. We'll close it. So this is going to be our output. You can see that it's a bunch of hex separated by semicolon. So we're going to go ahead and use TR to delete those, and we'll also get rid of the new line so it's all one file. And there you go. So now we have a big hex string. So the next thing we can do is we can use XXD to reverse it. So we're going to do the -p for raw string, postscript, then -r for reverse. And now you can see that this looks a lot more like a binary file. And we can see that there's like a PNG file in here. So let's go ahead and just dump this to a file. And now we can use binwalk. I tried the -e to see if it would work, but it did not actually extract it. So what I ended up having to do was -dd, and then this will basically match any file type and extract it, not just the main ones. So if we do that, now we can look at here. We have this file extracted. So we can come in here, document, CTF. And we get our flag. So there's a couple ways you could do it. This is one that uses all just built-in tools on or Linux command line tools. You could use Wireshark for some of it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Catch you guys later.